Hi, welcome to VuDrive tutorial. My name is Lee Rabin. I'm leading business development at Django. And today I'm going to talk about how to create a new geofence on VuDrive. So the first thing we're going to do is click on Fleet Management in the menu and then go to Geofences. So let's say we have a warehouse in LA and the fleet manager wants to get notified every time a vehicle either enters or leaves that warehouse. In the search bar, we can type in the exact address, but I'm just going to write Los Angeles and find the exact location on the map. Now we're going to click Add New, choose the relevant subfleet, and we're going to give a name to that zone, which is a free text. In the zone type, we prepared several categories that you can choose from. We're going to select warehouse. Now, I want to receive a notification every time a vehicle enters or leaves the warehouse. And I'm also going to select the recipient of that notification from the contact people in the fleet. Okay, and now for the fun part, we're going to define the exact location. Click on the pencil sign. And then I'm just going to draw the polygon on the map. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to choose a nice pink color for the location and click Save. And that's actually the whole process. From now on, every time a vehicle from the fleet we selected either enters or leaves the warehouse, our contact person will receive an email notification. Thanks for your attention and drive safe.